page. Oops, I've got a question over here, Tracy. What would you
So
like
if
to say?
somebody wanted to take, this is kind of directed at Marie, vitamins for hair, skin, and nails, is there vitamin D in that supplement as well, or is it better to take your hair, skin, and nails supplement as well as an individual vitamin D supplement?
I would say you'd need both. It really depends on the status. If you've had your vitamin D level checked, then we're going to know what kind of replacement you need. There's a lot of patients out there floating around with about a 30, and they really need high dose, possibly prescription level vitamin D supplementation for a while before they go on to maintenance.
Okay, so you can't, because I was just thinking one bottle.
That would be nice.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that's right.